Hello guys, I'm Mrinal Arnab. We have done a great project that is based on washing machine. We have converted a semi-automatic washing machine to a hybrid washing machine, and that is successfully done by our group members. We are mechanical engineers and from Raigada, that is a district of Odisha, and we have achieved that perfectly. So let's move on. What is our project and what is the hybrid washing machine is? Now guys, I will explain you what is the does of this upgradation of the cycle. This paddle, when rotated, the rims gonna rotate, and when the rim is rotated, the shaft is gonna rotate, and the bearing is for the stand purpose of the holding of the rim and the shaft, so that the alignment of the stand and the washing machine and the bevel gear, this could be possible. This smaller bevel gear will be attached to the bigger bevel gear, which is in that stand, and as you can see, when I'm idling this is gonna rotate. As you can see, this is freely rotating with the help of this bearing. Thank you guys.
Hello friends, I am M. Krishna Sagar. Now I'll be going to explain about the purpose of this washing machine stand. It provides three purposes. Number one is that it gives strength in support to the washing machine as well as the cycle. Second purpose is that it, it can provide the easier alignment of smaller bevel gear to the bigger bevel gear, so that when the smaller bevel gear rotates, the bigger bevel gear can also rotate. Third one is that this entire assembly could be done easily, so that the power transmission could be done from smaller spur gear to bigger spur gear. This is the main purpose of this washing machine stand.
This is a semi-automatic washing machine, and the only upgradation is two things, that is the aggregator shaft and the connection of the spur gear, smaller spur gear. As you can see, the smaller spur gear is attached to the aggregator shaft, and this aggregator shaft is done material with the CDD help, and we had made this shaft with their own creation. That is the this material is the mild steel, and we have made this so that the connection of bigger spur gear and the smaller spur gear can be done, and the transmission can be occurred, and the spinner tube can rotate this semi-automatic washing machine, and this will gonna say it is a hybrid washing machine, my friends.
B. Venu, head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering of Gandhi Institute of Advanced Computer Research, GSR, Raigada, Odisha. Here I would like to tell you one thing. Our final year students, Mrinal Arnab and Krishna Sagar and other group mates, we are going to perform a project which is different to our conventional washing machine. This is called hybrid washing machine. Conventionally, our washing machine is run by electricity, conventional electrical energy. However, these people have achieved, and they are going to show also how this can be run without electricity also. Manually they can make it run by using this cycle with the pedal power. Now I would like to show you our student, Mrinal Arnab. Yes, so Mrinal Arnab, please come. Just show it how this mechanically, how it can be done. So mechanically it is connected. Generally it needs electrical energy, but by using this mechanical energy, he wants to perform this.
As you can see, the shaft is attached to the bevel gear, bigger bevel gear, and the smaller bevel gear is attached to this shaft. When I rotate this paddle, the ring also rotates, and the performance does the work.
So now I can observe this movement in the washing machine. So this is now run by.
Sagar, just show that the movement is occurring.
So
Just focus
now
on
you
that.
can see this one. Yes, you can carefully come and see that one. You can move it. You can just see the movement inside, how our washing machine regularly moves inside. Inside movement you can observe in the washing machine. But this is achieved not by our conventional electrical energy, but by using the external mechanical energy. You see, you can observe the bevel gearing the two shafts are coupled with that level gearing, so
And
that
the
this
smaller
horizontal
spur,
motion.
spur gear and the bigger spur gear
Uh,
are transmitting the aggregator shaft for the spinner of the washing machine for washing clothes. Thank you, and I'm signing off. I'm Mrinal Araf, mechanical student of final year, and our HOD sir, mechanical.
okay,
Thanks.
thank you.